reduction, of course, nutrition, it has 47 types of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, high protein level, enzymes, okay. So, and immunomodulation, blood formation, kidney and liver detoxification, and other benefits, evidence-based, appetite, and all other things, hair luster, improves vision, all those things are there, okay. They are the benefits observed, empirical. So, what is so special about DXN spirulina? There are so many spirulina. And why DXN spirulina? Bioflavonoids in high content. Total carotenoids 400 to 500 milligrams per 100 gram. Carotenes 160 to 60. Xanthophylls 170 to 240. Chlorophyll 1300 to 1700 milligram. And phycocyanin 15,000 to 19,000, which produces cytokinase and enzyme inside the cell, which is antiviral. Because we have in this highest content, this is really antiviral. And the people who take minimum 2 grams per day, they need not bother about H1N1, Ebola or the future virus. It doesn't kill any virus. It almost snubs it for the growth. And when its lifetime ends, it dies without producing next generation. And second part is why DXN spirulina, highest safety profile, microbiological, coliform, the bacteria negative, E. coli negative, Salmonella negative, Staphylococcus negative. All these three you know. E. coli you may not be knowing the power of E. coli, Escherichia coli. I am not, as a doctor, I am not afraid of a terrorist with a AK-47 in front of me. But I am afraid of this tiny Escherichia coli, whether in the urine or in the stomach. Once it comes, it sticks on. And it goes on, it goes into hiding. And when my resistance comes down, it comes up and troubles me a lot. And it is resistant to 99% of the drugs. So doctors' hands are off. They say, this is E. coli. You come and get tested every 15 days and that's all. So there is no that one. So previous one. US FDA it is an excellent alkaline based natural whole food approved by US FDA. Next. Don't miss this. Of course, he is a father of spirulina, found out. And the Food and Agricultural Organization conference has declared spirulina as the best food for tomorrow. Because tomorrow there may not be any place to grow the food. Okay, it is grown on the water. Okay, and in a higher concentration. And US FDA has recognized spirulina as an excellent nutritional supplement. Next. Of course, it has got in the worldwide, spirulina won the best natural food award in West Germany's International Food Expo. Not only there, everywhere. WHO has hailed spirulina as the greatest food on earth. We don't call it food supplement, food it is. You can take. And the study, 5-year study, toxicology. Back. This is very important. The United Nations has conducted a 5-year toxicology, that's a side effect study on spirulina, and found it to be completely non-toxic. Even US FDA has told, even if you take 300 grams of reishi powder at once, no side effect, no reaction, because the ingredients in it 250, all are good one. If some items are bad, when you take more amount, it will have side effects. And spirulina is also the only non-mucus forming and non-acid forming protein. When you take more protein, you will have acidity. So next, National Aeronautic Space Agency Administration scientists from NASA tested and found that 1 kg of spirulina is nutritionally equal to 1000 kg of assorted fruits and vegetables. You can imagine how many kgs of pesticides and all other chemicals will go into your body. So this is IMSAM, all of you know, intergovernmental institution, okay, for microalgae, spirulina against the malnutrition, and of course the phycocyanin in it, the blue color, okay, is supporting liver and kidney function. Next. And chlorophyll is a blood manufacturer. It's called a plant blood, green blood. It will increase the hemoglobin, the dark rich green color. And it's a blood of the plants, hemoglobin. That's very important. Next. This next. National Cancer Institute, 1 minute back. Okay, 93 to 95 research showed natural polysaccharides in spirulina increased T cell counts, strengthened the immune system, and raised disease resistance. Okay, next. In AIDS, T cell goes down as a new probiotic to replace overused antibiotic drugs. It is for life. It is not against life. Next. This no. So of course vitamin B12 also it supplies. Who will benefit most? By regular intake of DX and spirulina. Next. First is children. Why? They don't have time, but they need more, but the stomach is less, and other junk foods they will be eating. So give them a few spirulina caps a day, and they will get their greens required. And busy people, because people are busy, their business, but they lose their health. So athletes and sportsmen, next they regain their recovery period, and a weak body, can be made to strong body. Weight watchers. I told you already how it works on the hypothalamus in the brain. And health conscious people, it's very important. Dr. Lim's theory, alkaline body 20-80 rule. That is 20% of our blood fluids have only 20% acidic and 80% alkaline, and spirulina is 100% alkaline. That's the reason how you don't get into viral diseases also. Because virus grows, you understand, in summer season, heat, because in the heat our blood acidity will become more and virus will multiply a lot. So these are some of the things which has more. Vegetarians, of course, once repairs are done, it will also take care. Gastrointestinal and digestive health. Of course, this is a weight loss, slimming, trimming. Next, immune system, blood system, natural cleansing. So this is a 10-year study into beta carotene's effect on cancer at the Harvard Medical School surprisingly revealed in an interim report on coronary heart disease. Okay, they tested for cancer, and also they came to know how it is very good to prevent heart problems. Beta carotene is as useful an agent for controlling heart disease as it is for cancer. It also appears to prevent the formation and oxidation of LDL cholesterol, thereby ensuring that the arteries do not become blocked. Arteries becoming blocked is the main business of the cardiologists. Okay, means when the artery is blocked and they get chest pain, so patient get worried, and of course they have to make the necessary treatment, whether necessary or not necessary. Okay, liver also, it can enhance the functioning of the liver, but cleansing it, and hormone imbalance and infertility. I told you already, for germs you have to give more of spirulina to enhance the sperm count and all. Next. So shown that they have improved fertility, surprising since it contains all the essential proteins, vitamins, and even for miscarriage also it has got supplements in that. Okay, pregnant women, and pancreatitis regulates pancreas regulates blood sugar, so it gives protection to pancreas. So for all the diabetics, in this world now, 15% of the world population are diabetic. Okay, above 40, 35. So what from DXN you can give them is daily minimum 1 gram of reishi mushroom or 2 capsules, and 4 to 6 spirulina. Why spirulina is important? It protects the pancreas from further damage, so that at least that level of insulin will continue. Otherwise, after 10 years, it will be dry, and you have to go for insulin and more and more and more dose. Okay. So this how phycocyanin plays important in preventing renal failure. Sickness from radiotherapy, chemotherapy, this is one of the treatments for cancer. Along with that, you can give RGGL and spirulina also. And also, according to Japanese eye surgeons, around 90% of cataracts in old people improved when the patients were treated with a combination of spirulina and drugs, both without operation. This is very important. In 1989, US National Cancer Institute announced that chemicals extracted from spirulina with focus on blue-green algae, sulfolipids, sulfolipids were found extremely effective in lab tests against HIV virus. Okay. And of course, next, anemia, okay, so body should not be over acidic, and so this is 10 times more, it has carotenoids than, of course, this is Mr. Obama promoting. And some testimonials, okay. See, in African countries, many times, many countries, they don't have money to go to doctor and to show their wounds and disease and get the dressings done. Spirulina is so cheap, okay, they just put the paste of that and they get that tropical ulcer treated and later grafted and it gets healed within 6 to 8 weeks, some pictures. And result after 3 months. So this is 4 centimeter deep and 6 centimeter deep ulcer, tropical ulcer. So it healed, it came up to the surface, okay, just with the spirulina. And of course underweight children, okay, and they regain their weight. Next. So this is a protein deficiency, okay, we call it as marasmus. You can see the change in the hair color. So you must have confidence in the products. So don't forget to use DXN spirulina along with the DXN Gano, as they are great companions for human health maintenance. Thank you.